It's a lazy Saturday morning. Let's see what Rob is up to. Oh, he's cooking breakfast. He's going back to work soon. What you cooking, Rob?
Potatoes.
Ooh, look at that. Is that hash brown? No, it's not hash brown. It's regular potatoes.
Yeah.
Right? And he made some. Oh, there's only one bacon right there. So I guess you're gonna make bacon and egg.
Oh, chorizo and egg and
chorizo. That would be nice. My sugar is really low right now, so I'm gonna have some peanut butter too. Oh, you're cutting the edge of the chorizo?
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be cooked like a longaniza?
No.
Oh, and then they're just gonna squeeze it?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that's how you cook it. Oh, that's it. Oh, how long is that gonna be like?
A few minutes.
Just a few minutes.
Yeah.
He added the egg too. He added some egg to the chorizo.
Stir the egg. Sort of squeeze.
And then what? You just let it cook
Stir it.
there. Stir it.
Yeah.
And you just stir it.
Yeah.
And then what? What's next? That's it?
Yeah, just until it cooks, all the watery stuff cooks out and it becomes like a solid.
Yeah. Nice. Right. And what? You're gonna add potatoes too?
Yeah, but I'm wait till it gets solid.
Oh. And my mom's gonna cook this later. Vegetable with coconut milk. Oh, look at that. After the egg, he also added the diced potatoes. And it's coming along really nice. Very good. And while I was finishing up on cooking, I'm brewing my coffee here in my favorite mug. Getting ready soon. Let's add my creamer. Nice. Go ahead and pop our Jewish rye bread. Toasted now. It's ready. Let's have my mom try it. Let's see. Robert cooked that. It's chorizo and egg with toast. She doesn't want anything on her toast, and that's why
this is nice breakfast. Robert prepared this for me.
For all of us. For all three of us.
That's my son-in-law,
Oh,
Robert.
you're just gonna put it on there? Do you wanna try that with the spoon?
I tried this one. Chorizo. This is chorizo.
Chorizo and egg. How is it? Is it
Good.
better than Filipino breakfast,
Yep,
Nai?
good.
She's putting
This
it
is
in her
good.
bread like a spread.
Okay. Hi. Thank you, Robert.
Thanks,
Thank
Rob.
you, Ruby.
All right, let's see how you like it with the bread. Ooh, crunchy.
Crunchy.
You like it, Nai, with the
I
bread?
like it.
Is
Yeah.
it
With matching
better
coffee.
without the Filipino breakfast, huh? And that's it for today. This morning, we're having our breakfast now. Thanks for watching, everyone. That is a really nice chorizo breakfast, Rob. Thanks for our breakfast this weekend, 4th of July weekend. Enjoy, everyone.